Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo E in bright white. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, remote start system, front bucket seats, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7057A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.